Hey guys, what is up? Today I am doing today's video. I am so excited for this video because I'm not really excited. I have to do the no hands challenge. So let's do this. Starting with the lotion. I want to move this down a little bit. Alright. If it falls on the floor, it doesn't count. So I'm going to get this cup. Just say I didn't use my hands there. Okay. How do you... Okay, and then I guess you go. I wouldn't look at the camera if I were you.
What you do? Jeez.
Well,
You failed.
challenge 1 has failed. I'm going to pause the video here and get this off my face and be prepared for slow-mo. Okay, so I'm going to use my hands for this. So what I'm going to show you is my next one is try to open my axe and spray it on myself with no hands. Now this is going to be a challenge, so let's do it. I did it. And elbow. I just sprayed it at the computer. So apparently my arms smell. So I'm gonna spray it at my armpits, and my armpits smell amazing. Alright, so that is done. And I know I used my hands for the last part, but who cares? Because I'm cheap. Anyways, I'm bringing the cup back because I'm going to try to apply gel in my hair without using my hands. Now, am I going to have a lotion fail or gel fail or not? Let's go. Alright, I'm just gonna fix it in there. Oh. Okay, there is gel applied in my hair. I swear I'm not using my hands, this is what. I'm getting a shower anyway, guys, so if my... Doesn't my hair just look amazing, right? Amazing. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna do my hair like this every day. Just because. Alright, I'm gonna get to the next video, or next part, and I'll be right back. Because this is gonna be possibly the last one. I'm only gonna do 3, maybe I can do more. But I'm gonna do is this. So, I am gonna take the cap off because, I don't know, could there be a way to do it? Got it. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is there's no permanent marker. But I'm gonna write Chase and I'm gonna write Gamer Chase, no hands challenge. He barely sticks in my hair. Alright, I only have Gamer. Oh no, I'm just gonna do Chase. Okay. So guys, Gamer Chase didn't go so well. Just saying. I don't know if you want to see it, but I'm going to show you anyway. And I did drool, so don't mind the drool spot. But Gamer Chase, that is so bad. So bad. And, yeah. So I'm going to pause right here and think of a new one. Yeah, alright guys, so my next one is I have to turn my light on. That's pretty simple, I can do that one. So, just take my elbow, and, oop, done. But turning it on is a challenge. Maybe not. So, that is that one. And, I'll be right back. So, the next one is, I'm gonna brush my teeth. With no hands. That's the twist. No hands. I have to open it, open this. So open it with no hands. And it's gonna be a challenge, because I might squirt it over myself and put it on the brush. So you guys are gonna see this whole thing. Oh. It leaked everywhere. No, it didn't. Never mind. So this is a brand new thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put my toothbrush right here. This is definitely a challenge. This is real good. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Okay, guys. I will really brush my teeth later on, but
That's cheating with no hands.
that was just weird. I already did it with no hands. So, anyway, I'm gonna try one more. I gotta think of another one. And so see you then. Peace for now. Mute yourself. Mute. 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 Mute yourself, Jojo. Sorry for that interruption. Right now, I'm gonna be messaging my friend on Xbox. I'm gonna say, did a challenge. So, here we go. Home. And I open home, so I am really gonna use my hands because you're gonna see this. But I'm just gonna open up the message with my hands because. Who is it? Okay, it's Fadeless. I'm gonna message Fadeless and see what he'll say. Alright, so now I've opened up the message and I'm gonna text. I'm opening other things. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you because you can't see it. I typed HHBHCFEFDFGWERFFRUU454556 W2P 2323.5, and then this is a long thing. WRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR actually going to type this. This is what could happen. Okay. Happen if I have no hands. LOL. Okay, guys. So, anyways, I am going to end the episode here. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Means bye. Peace out. We'll see you later. And see you on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye. And I will get Fadeless' thing. See if he responds back.